Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me, printer HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean the fuser on this device. So firstly, you need to connect your printer to internet. To do it, you need to connect your printer using the Ethernet cable. Then you can connect your computer to this printer using IP address. To find IP address, just open the control panel and find IP address here. Just input this IP in your web browser to open HP printer settings, or you can use mobile application to connect to the printer. Open HP Smart application, then find your printer here. Find it, and here you will see the settings of the printer. Then scroll down, find here printer quality tools, and here you will see the clean the fuser feature. So click clean and wait a while. As you can see, here we have cleaning mode. So load plane, later in tray 1, and then touch OK. So I have now later 8.5x11. So I will use just tray 2 cleaning fuser. So if you want to clean your fuser, you need to have 8.5 and A4 paper, but I can show you only with A4. So click OK and just wait for about 5 minutes to your fuser will be clean. Okay, that's it. Fuser was successfully cleaned, and I have printed a beautiful arrow. As you can see, it's completely black. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.